Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rajesh, and today in this video lecture we will study program to generate first n terms of Fibonacci series, and that program we have to make using the recursive definition of Fibonacci series. So before doing the programming we should understand that what is Fibonacci series and what is its recursive definition. So a Fibonacci series is a series whose first term, if I say first term denoted by f0 is 0, second term is 1. Say first term is 1 0 and second term is 1, and the next term f2, the third term is equal to 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, so the next term is 1. This is a sum of this and this, and the next term f3 is equal to sum of this one and this one, that is f2 plus f1, which is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, so sum of this and this is equal to 2. Similarly, sum of this and this f4 is equal to f2 plus f3, which will be 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, so this will be 3. Similarly, next term will be 3 plus 2 will be 5. f5 is equal to f3 plus f4, which is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Similarly, f6 will be equal to f4 plus f5, which is equal to 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, like 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, and next will be 13. Next, sum of these last two terms 21. Next it will be 34, and so on. Similarly, we can define. So if we give the definition of Fibonacci series through recursion, in this first term is 0, second term is 1, and other terms like here f2 is defined as f0 plus f1, sum of last two terms. If we have to define fn, then that will be sum of its last two preceding terms. Last two preceding terms will be fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2, and here since this recursive definition is given by n is equal to 2, given from n is equal to 2 3 4, so here n is greater than equal to 2. So whenever first term it will be value 0, second term it will value 1, these two terms we have to define, and the rest of the series is generated by taking the sum first and the second term, then so on. We get the Fibonacci series. So this Fibonacci series we have to generate, and this question is very important from examination point of view, and this is the recursive definition, that first term is 0, second term is 1, and this recursive relation we have to use during the programming. So now we will generate the first n terms of Fibonacci series using the recursive function or using the recursive definition. So here we are. Now we will open a new file, and firstly we will name this file as some suitable name. So Rajesh Fibonacci. So firstly I am going to include so I have added both the library files. These are the header files. So Next I'm going to start the main function. I'm going to define two variables. First is number of terms of a series we want to generate, and second one is the indexing variable. Now it will ask the user to enter the numbers of terms to be generated. So the user will enter the number of terms to be generated. Next, those terms will be scanned by the computer. So those terms are scanned. Now next, for loop, it will run from 0. Since it is n, so I will be less than n. 0 to n minus 1 is n. So next will be I plus plus. So we will define recursive function. So using that we will be generating the series. So here I am going to print. Here you could write printf just for the sake of reference, that the first %d terms of Fibonacci series are so, and here it is n. This will be shown on the output screen, so that's why I have printed. Otherwise it could also have been done without it. So this will print %d, and after every number I am going to give a tab. So this will be, say, fib, and here will be I. Fib will be the recursive function that I will be defining. So after that it will be get ch, and here will be it will return 0. Here I am going to use clear screen. Okay, now everything is well defined except this fib, the recursive function. This is not defined. So now I am going to define the recursive function. Int, and name has to be same, and its parameter say with n. Okay, and if value is n having value 0, or I am going to use the logical or n is having value 1, it will return the same n. If it will be having value 0, it will return 0. It will be having value 1, it will return 1. So here I am going to return n. Else it is going to return fib. Use the definition n minus 1 plus fib n minus 2, the definition that I explained. So this I have used, so that's I think fine, and I will try to run it. So it's control F9. There is some error, and that statement is missing. So here I forgot to place the semicolon. So I will again run. So enter the numbers of terms to be generated. Say I want to generate first 10 terms. The first 10 terms of Fibonacci series are, these are the first 10. One more time I will run 20 terms. So first 20 terms of Fibonacci series are this one. So that is the first n terms of Fibonacci series that we have generated through program making use of recursive definition or through use of recursive function. This program is very important from examination point of view, and I hope that you will be able to understand this logic and concept of the program. So that's all I have from this lecture, and if you like the lecture, please like, subscribe, share and comment. This is Dr. Rajesh saying you goodbye, take care, bye bye, and see you soon.